Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 8th question in exercise 1.4. Which of the following pairs of sets are disjoint? First, let's take the first subdivision. So the first set is given to be 1, 2, 3, 4. However, let's find out what is the elements in the second set. It said that x is a natural number between 4 and 6. Both 4 and 6 are inclusive. So in the second case, the elements of this sets are going to be 4, 5 and 6. Why? Because you have a less than and equal to symbol. So 4 and 6 are also part of this elements. So now let's get back to the definition of what is disjoint sets. Two sets are said to be disjoint if they don't have even one element common among them. So if you see the first case, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, whereas in the second case, you have 4, 5, 6. So there is one element 4 that is overlapping these two sets. This means this is not a pair of disjoint sets. So you can simply say not disjoint for this particular pair. Now let's move on to the second subdivision. In the second subdivision, the set is A, E, I, O, U. And in the second case, it is C, D, E and F. So in comparison, we see that E is actually sitting common to both these sets. So this means there is at least one element that is common to these two sets. This means these two sets are not disjoint. So again, I'm closing that out. Now let's move on to the third subdivision. Here the first set is set of all even integers. So if I have to list, it is going to be 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. up till infinity. If you look at the second set, it is the set of all odd integers. So it is 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. up till infinity. Now, if you see that there is no element that will be both odd and even, meaning there is no element that will be common to both these sets. Either they belong to the even number category or they belong to the odd number category, which means there are no common elements between these two sets. Therefore, these two pairs are going to be equal to a disjoint set. So in this case, whatever the set name that you can give are going to be disjoint from each other. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 9th question in this exercise. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next one. Bye.